In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front interior side door handle on your Ford E-350 Super Duty. It's located on the passenger side doors. Using a 10mm, you're going to take off these nuts. There's two, one here and one there. That's usually all you need to do. And then you can take it out. All right, so when we're installing our new door handle, you're going to want to put this underneath that lever in there. So you're going to put it under, and then put your bracket on those studs. Once you think you're on there, you want to try it a little bit. And it's, if there's tension on it, that means it's where it needs to be. Then you're going to attach your nuts, set them by hand, and get it close to the bracket so it doesn't pop off before you snug them up. All right, so now you're going to tighten these up about wrist tight. Now you're going to test it out. Feels good. You should feel some tension on that. If you don't, you got to take it off and try again. With that, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.